More than half of Native American women and men experience domestic violence in their lifetimes. That's according to the CDC. A West Michigan judge is being honored this week for her work in fighting domestic and sexual violence. 13 on Your Side's Nick Nelson spoke with her tonight and is here with her story.
That's right, Juliet. We chatted with her about several of the different routes that she's taken to ensure that victims are safe. A tribal judge based out of West Michigan is receiving national attention for her work in domestic and sexual violence law.
I am incredibly grateful for this honor.
Judge Melissa Pope will be receiving an award Friday on the Nottawaseppi Reservation from the American Judges Association for her work in helping victims of domestic and sexual violence.
More than 4 out of 5 American Indian and Alaska Native men have been victims of violence in their lifetime. I stress that statistic because I think it's important that in any court that you're in, if you have an Indigenous person who is before you, whatever the case might be, know that they are likely someone who has survived violence.
Judge Pope has been serving as the chief judge of the Nottawaseppi Tribal Court since 2011, continuing to help survivors. In that time, she's created a victim service department, helping connect victims with adequate resources.
We have one tribal citizen, as an example, who just started making bags for our survivors that they could come and acquire some of the things that they might need in starting possibly a new home, or if they were an emergency shelter, whatever it might be.
Pope says as more and more people stand up and advocate for addressing missing and murdered Indigenous people, she's hopeful that legal reforms can continue to make a difference.
And I really hope that perhaps the work that we're doing, that more and more people would join us in rejecting this violence, holding offenders accountable, and really supporting survivors in healing.
Judge Pope will be presented with the award on the reservation tomorrow at 1 p.m. Juliet?
Nick, thank you.